Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add outline to an image in Adobe Illustrator. It's really simple and easy. So I want to copy and paste it in place. For that, I'm going to select it and press Ctrl C on my keyboard, then Ctrl F. What that does is it pasted it in place like this. So if I select the top one here, I can go to edit up here, go to this edit colors and adjust color balance. Now we want to go to grayscale and make sure this is on convert. Also, you always want to have this preview trick so you can see what's going on. I'm going to slide this slider all the way to the right like this and make sure under this adjustment option that fill and stroke are selected. After that, we just press OK. Now what we have to do is go to image trace here on the right and select, and we have to select silhouettes. Click on this OK. Now we can expand this and now it's a vector. What we want to do is give it some stroke, maybe make it wide first like that, give it a stroke something like that, and we are just going to increase the stroke like this, give it some roundness. We can also make it be on the outside. Once we are done with that, we can just go here where it says select object. We are going to expand appearance and we are going to expand again, and now we are on the right on the pathfinder. We can press combine compound shape. When you paste this to the back, when we bring it to the back here, you can see it outlines our image. We can also select this and you can make it white or whatever color you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add outline to an image in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.